Unforce restart your device. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button on the side of the Motorola until the screen turns off. To toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, go to the settings of your smartphone and toggle the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches off and then on again. Sometimes this can help re-establish connections. 3. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi networks. In your Wi-Fi settings, forget the problematic network, then reconnect by entering the password. This can help clear any conflicting settings. 4. Reset network settings. In the Settings menu, find the option to Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings to their default configurations. Note that this will also delete saved Wi-Fi passwords. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel V4 Empire Unlocker and stay tuned for more videos.